Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.7. Question number 7, part number 4, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Part number 4, that is 0.123 bar. So 0.123 bar can also be written in some form, that is 0.123 plus. So bar indicate 3 digits, so we take 3 digits after decimal points, then write 3 digits. So 0.30123 plus 0.30, next 3012. So by taking LCM, common 123 into 1 divided by 1000 plus 1 divided by 160 plus up to so on. Here first term, that is 1 divided by 1000, and second term A2 is equal to 1 divided by 160. R is the common ratio between A1 and A2. So by putting the values, value of A2 is equal to 1 divided by 1, next 60, fraction, value of A1 is equal to 1 divided by 1000. So next 1 divided by 160 by cross multiplication, 1000 divided by 1, so 30 cancel. R is equal to 1 divided by 1000. Since the sum of infinite geometric series, that is S infinite, is equal to A1 divided by 1 minus R, so 0.123 bar is equal to 123 into sum of infinite series, that is by putting the values of A1 is equal to 1 divided 1000, fraction 1 minus value of R is equal to 1 divided 1000. So taking LCM of denominator function, that is 1000 into 1000 minus 1, which is equal to 999 divided by 1000. Take in numerator form, so by cross multiplication, 1 divided by 1000 multiply 1000 divided by 999. So 123 divide 999. So by cancel 3 times 12, 3 1 times 12, fraction 3 times 9, 3 times 9, 3 times 9. So 0.123 bar is equal to 41 divided by 333, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.